Kenny, we received your sample material, and as stated on the phone yesterday, all of the various types of material cut just fine. And we discussed, how many layers you might be able to cut of each respective material with one cycle of the press. I sort of determined it'll do 2 just fine. It can actually cut through 3, but in order to do 3, it takes a little more work to get it in and out of the press. With 2, it'll go in and out pretty simple. The 2 different types of dies that we discussed were, first of all, the 1 1/4" high clicker die that we build in-house. We can build about any shape or size you can imagine. This is a very inexpensive type of die. The next type of die that we discussed was the forged die. Now, this is not a die that we build in-house. We actually outsource this to another vendor. These are also very affordable. These are 1 1/4" as well. This is probably the die that I would recommend, as you get a little bit cleaner cut with this die as opposed to a clicker die. But what I'll do is cut samples of each respective one and label them for you. So the way that this would work, you would set 2 layers of your material on the cutting board. This is a polyethylene cutting surface. It's a sacrificial cutting surface. You would then set the die on top of the material. You would then slide it in. Click it out. And as you can see, you get a nice clean cut. Again, I'll go ahead and I will send the samples back to you, and I'll label which die was used for each cut. And I will email you the video. Thank you.